And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video I'm going over the top 7 DeFi projects that I see right now. Raul sent me this comment and he put, "Awesome content, sir. I'm in." He was talking about my Diamond Team version 2. Since I got very limited money to invest, can you please tell me top 5 genuine DeFi projects, which is genuine, sustainable, and high APY, which are actually the safest in DeFi till now. So in this video, I'll be going over Titano Finance, Sphere Finance, StrongBlock, Baked Beans, Piston Token, Drip Network, and my Diamond Team. But before we get started, make sure to come visit my channel, like this video, subscribe, ring the notification bell for more time-sensitive videos just like this one. Going back to Raul's question, these are proven big DeFi projects that have started new trends. Now, are they towards the end of their cycle? Maybe. Can they continue to grow? Possibly. These are all big question marks. But in this video, my goal is to cover the biggest and safest DeFi projects that I've seen so far. As far as getting involved now, that will be questionable, since some of these are a little bit older, but some of these are newer. There's still potential within this list. Let's go over the first one, Titano Finance. And by the way, these are in no particular order. Titano Finance is the #1 auto staking, auto compounding protocol that hit the crypto markets. It revolutionized auto staking. You buy the token and the token earns you daily rewards automatically. Actually, it earns you rewards every 30 minutes, 48 times daily. If we take a look at the chart, Titano launched somewhere in November. It ran up to a high of about 20 cents. And now it's trading around 9 cents. This is a high APY project. So although the price is a little bit lower today, it doesn't mean that you're losing money. You earn daily rewards. And as long as it stays within a range, on a sideways range, it looks like it's trading between 10 to 20 cents. Right now, slightly lower. As long as it sustains those price levels, it's fair game. You're earning daily rewards. So Titano Finance has been running since November, and it's a proven model. Is it a good time to get in? Well, that's questionable and that's up in the air. We don't know the longevity of this project, but it is original. It's the first of its kind, and it's been proven to be successful. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Sphere Finance. Based on the same model, this is a newer project, and this one has been exploding. If we take a look at the charts, this one was released a few weeks ago on the 21st. I've been covering Sphere Finance, and it's just a complete rocket ship. It's currently trading around 6 cents, and I started talking about this project when it was under 1 cent. If we take a look at my premium post, I posted on March the 22nd, bought some more Sphere. I think this one will be a winner. Total investment $900. Forgot to show the market cap. It's at $18 million. I think this one can hit between $100 and $150 million, at least 5 times from here. I give it 1 to 2 months to get there. Already up $5 in 1 minute, LOL. And this was when I was posting Sphere Finance. And this is a post right here. It was trading around 1 cent, and I actually had covered it. I think it was below 1 cent when I first started talking about it. Here's the market cap, and I was predicting over a 100 mil market cap. And this was my current holdings at the time. Now we fast forward, I posted this yesterday, last night, on my premium Discord channel. The market cap, $141 million. It's trading at 6 cents. I nailed it. And I gave it 1 to 2 months. This did it like in 3 weeks. It's now trading at a $141 million market cap. Awesome trade. I was in this. I did sell out of my position already, and I did sell a little early, but nailed it. This was a fantastic trade. Now everything's up in the air for you to decide if you still want to get involved. But this has been the successor of Titano Finance and has been proven to be the second most successful project based on this model as of now. Let's go to the next project. This is StrongBlock, the original node project that started nodes. This project started over a year ago, and if we take a look at the price point, it's been having a pretty massive sell-off. A lot of people made a lot of money with strong notes. A lot of people became millionaires. I completely missed this trend since I wasn't investing in notes back at these times. These were new DeFi concepts. We did see Strong hit the markets at a price of around $100, and it rallied to around $1,200. Since then, it's been selling off, and it's now around $40. So this one seems like the best is over, but just going over the strongest DeFi trends and original projects. That is Strong Notes. Let's go to the next one. This is the latest trend. This is Baked Beans, and this is a miner. If we go to their contract, they continuously garner more attention and more money. This is a BNB miner, and the contract currently holds $9.1 million worth of BNB. This is a huge success, and it continues to make awesome returns. A lot of people have been very happy with Baked Beans. It's been running for about 4 months. Daily return 8% on your BNB, APR 2,920, Defi 3%. One of the best rates since we've been seeing a flood of these miner projects, which, by the way, I will leave all reference links under the description of this video to all these projects for your reference if you want to get involved. Let's go to the next project. This is one of my favorite. This is a community-based driven project. This is Piston Token. Full disclosure, this is my biggest investment. I'm also running the team, so if you want to join my team, links under the description of this video. Piston Token is part of the Binance Smart Chain network. You build a team owners airdrop to their team members, and as the team grows, there's more and more rewards and incentives for the whole group. I have full extended videos on Piston Token. I will leave all reference links under the description of this video. You can also visit my channel, and I have specific playlists just for Piston Token. If we take a look at the price point, it launched about a week ago, and the price rallied to around $30 and then sold off. It was sustaining around the $15 mark. It's currently trading at $10, but this team continues to develop and innovate upon the project. They will be having NFTs and a racing game. I believe this is going to be a huge winner, so I am a strong believer of Piston Token. Let's go to the next project. This is Drip Network. This is a project that started the community-based network projects. You create a team, you can airdrop to your team members, and it's another great project. This one's been running for a while. If we take a look at the charts at Drip, it launched somewhere in July of last year, and it hit a low of around $6.50, and it rallied to around $170. Huge rally, and they've sold off since then. This one also made a lot of millionaires. Huge project. Drip Network, very successful. It's currently trading at $34.50. Now, is it a good time to get involved? Is the best over? I don't know. This one's been running a little bit longer, so it's up to you to decide if you want to jump on this now that it's sold off from its highs. And lastly, we have My Diamond Team version 2. These are the same creators of Piston Token. My Diamond Team version 2 is a community-based driven project where you deposit BNB, you earn daily rewards, and as a team leader, you can airdrop to your teammates. I like My Diamond Team. I also have a team here. I have a team for My Diamond Team and for Piston Token. I do not have one for Drip. So if you want to join my teams, links under the description of this video. I also have dedicated channels in my Discord for you to get the latest updates about the performance of my teams. So those are the top 7 DeFi projects that I see right now, and trend makers and original projects if you want to put some money into any of these. The newest projects out of this group is Sphere Finance, where you can still potentially see some upside, Baked Beans, and Piston Token. Those are the top 3 new projects that I see with the biggest potential as of right now. I also cover a lot of different projects, and not to say that those won't make this list. These have been proven by strong teams with a successful model and have proven themselves over a longer period of time. Now, some of the other projects that I've covered can also make this list and create new trends. And for those of you who made it this far, I am adding one bonus project. I recently made a video about Horde nodes. I will leave a link under the description of this video, and this by far has been the most stable node project I've ever invested. This project was recently released about 2 weeks ago. If you're interested in nodes, this is the best opportunity investing in nodes right now. They have sustainable tokenomics, and I explain everything in the Horde nodes videos. That is the bonus content for those of you who are still watching. So I wanted to give a shout out to Raul for giving me this video idea, and I think it was a great question. So that's going to do it for this video. If you guys found this video of any value, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Hit the notification bell to get the latest DeFi project information. Join my Patreon. My Patreon members have exclusive access to all the projects that I'll be talking about ahead of time. Whitelist spots, early access, exclusive calculators, course discounts, and general support. My original supporter tier, this one sold out. I have 18 spots left for the supporter tier. And then we have a premium full access tier. So make sure to come check out my Patreon for the latest DeFi projects. Thank you very much. That's going to do it for this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.